What if you could create awesome AI animations completely for free, with no watermarks, and without any strict limits holding you back? For now, at least, you totally can. I'm going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process of using Meta AI to do just that. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own amazing AI videos starting from just a single line of text. You've probably seen the hype around AI video, but you've also likely noticed the expensive subscriptions and annoying watermarks that come with most tools. That's what makes Meta's generator so exciting. It's built right into the Meta AI platform and lets you create a short video directly from a text prompt or by animating an image. And the best part? It's free right now, and your downloads don't come with any big watermark. Meta might add paid features later, but for now anyone can use it and experiment pretty much without limits. Perfect for creators, marketers, or anyone who just wants to make cool stuff for free. Getting started is incredibly easy. First, just head over to meta.ai in your web browser. To get full access, including the ability to generate and download your videos, you'll need to log in. You can do this with your Facebook, Instagram, or Meta account. It's a quick one-time step that unlocks all the creative tools on the platform. Alright, let's get to the fun part and make a video from scratch. The main way to do this is by going directly from a text prompt to a video. On the main screen, you'll see a prompt box. This is where the magic starts. The key to a great AI video is a detailed prompt. Don't just say a cat. Try something like a photorealistic cat wearing a tiny top hat, sitting in a library, looking at the camera, cinematic lighting. The more descriptive you are, the better your result is going to be. After you type in your prompt, Meta AI gets to work. Instead of just creating a static image, the platform can now directly generate a short video clip based on your text. It usually takes a few moments to process, and then you'll have a video, typically a few seconds long, that brings your idea to life. You can also still use the classic image-first approach. Just generate an image. Pick your favorite from the options, and then you'll see an animate button. Click that, and the AI will add motion to your picture. Your first video is just the beginning. You can often refine the animation with different options or try to extend it to make it a little longer. It's important to know you won't be making a feature film here. The videos are short, usually around 10 seconds or so, but that's perfect for creating eye-catching clips for social media. If you are getting some value out of this and want to stay up to date on all the latest AI tools, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Once you're happy with your creation, just look for the share button and click download. The video will save straight to your device. And as promised, it's completely free and most importantly currently comes with no visible watermark. This is a huge plus compared to other services, though keep in mind that Meta's policies on this could change in the future. The possibilities are pretty much endless, and the best way to learn is just to mess around with it. Let's try a couple more prompts to see what this thing can really do. How about a watercolor painting of a fox sitting in a vibrant autumn forest, with leaves gently falling? Or something totally out there, like a cute, fluffy alien exploring a whimsical, candy-filled planet cartoon style. Each prompt gives you a completely different result, from photorealistic scenes to animated fantasies. Don't be afraid to get weird and creative to see what the AI is capable of. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to create incredible AI videos with Meta AI. You can go from a simple idea in your head to a fully animated, downloadable clip, all for free and without a watermark. Now that you know how to make these, what are you going to create first? Drop your ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video where we check out more cool AI tools.